It is the birth of a new baby Sago Palm. These offsprings are referred to as sucklings or pups. They grow regularly on the male and female adult Sago Palms on its trunk. I locate the root ball and try to remove as much of it as I can. I've heard sucklings can thrive with very little of its root. Look at this tiny Sago pup. It looks like it has its arms raised saying, "Save me!" So I will. I use Miracle-Gro potting mix. It contains Miracle-Gro plant food, which will ensure that the sagos are getting the required nutrients. I will water them daily until the roots become well established and they start to grow. Then at the very least, I will maintain a moist soil. Mature Sago Palms are a very resilient plant species. I am Danny and welcome to my channel, where my experiences become your adventures. Please subscribe if you hadn't done so already and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Also, go to my channel, Danovator, and check out some other videos. Just a couple of days I pruned this female Sago, and look at it, it's already starting to sprout some new fronds. What I like about Sagos is that they're virtually bulletproof. They're easy to grow, very hardy plant. I mean, this has been through plenty of frost and it's still flourishing and getting taller. So I highly recommend a Sago Palm for your yard to give it that tropical feel. In this video, I will be planting 2 adolescent Sago plants. They were once baby Sago sucklings, or also known as pups. I have already planted one. Now please enjoy watching me plant the other. These Sagos will be planted at opposite corners of my pool. I will replicate the landscaped area of the previously planted palm. I will first mark a spot where the Sago will be planted. After measuring the previous Sago bed, I mark the ground so I will know where I will need to excavate. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Sooner or later, I'll be able to complete my tropical oasis.